let's do a question. I've been starting a series where I'll be solving one question every day. Let's see how it goes. I'll try to do it regularly. Uh, since I'm also working for a firm, so I will try to do regularly at least two questions every day. And I hope you guys can also follow along. At least you can give 1 hour a day for coding. And let's start with a question quickly. I'll share my screen. I actually am already sharing. I'll just put a random question. Let's start with a medium question since I already have been coding for quite a while, so I'll try a medium question from lead code today. Any question? Any question will do. Let's go interview top 150. So this is one of the videos in a series of videos about to come. I am a software developer from Morgan Stanley. A little about me. I am a graduate from IIT Guwahati. I'm also uh, I started my software development journey very late. I started it in my fourth year, and I have been doing it for 1.5 year, I think. And I'm performing poorly at my company, I'd say. I in your So one myth I'll clarify right away. So interview skills is completely different from what you actually do in a company. So in a company, you don't actually have to use such a huge DSA skills and all that. Nothing. So yeah, that's about me. So I'm preparing for another interview. So I'll be starting with some questions. I'll solve some questions every day and hope you guys can also follow. So any question which is unsolved, where there is no tick. Okay, this one. I'll just quickly check if this video is getting shared. Yeah. Okay. So let's try to do it as soon as quickly as possible. I'll put a stopwatch. And yes, my time starts now. Yeah. Yes. This is an app. Okay. So given one index array of integers, numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to specific target number. Let these two number be number index 1, number index 2, where index 1, index 2, 1 to length. Return the indices of two numbers, index 1 and index 2, added by 1 as an integer array. Length 2. Okay. Let's see the test case. 7 target is 9, so output is 1,2. So 2 and 7. Okay, fine. 2, 3, 4. Target is 6, so output is 1, 3. 1, 3. This is a pretty straightforward question. I think 1 and 2. Okay. I think I am getting the question. I think everybody here knows the concept how to do this in no of n time. So basically, I won't go with all that bullshit which you have to do for the interviews. In an actual interview, you have to go with a n square solution first before actually going to the optimized solution. So I'll cut all that things out. I hope you guys already know how to present yourself in interviews. So let's quickly solve the question. So what I need is a map which will store the Wherever I am, so let's say I am at x of I, sorry, ith index, and the value there is x of I. So I'll be searching for target minus x of I. Yeah, in the left part of the array. So I'll be traversing from right to left, and I'll be always searching for target minus xi in the left part of the array. So this way I'll be able to cover the whole array, and I won't go over the answer pair again. I won't repeat on the answer pair this way. If I only search on the left side and I keep going right. So I keep going right, I search on the left side. So I check this number is 2. So 9 minus 2 is 7 on the left side. If 7 is not, okay, fine. I go to 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Is 2 in the left side? Yes, 2 is in the left side, so I got the pair. So this is my action strategy. And for this, how do I search for the number very quickly? So I can have a map. I can have a map of int, and the key will be the number. The key will be the number, and the value will be the index of the number. So I'll just need to iterate I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. What is n? N is size of array, numbers dot size. So, okay, I'm at the number xi. I'll search on the left. So, how do we search in C++? If mp.count, and I'll search for target minus numbers of I. If count is so, we should not search. Just one thing I used to be confused a lot. So you should never search numbers directly like this. Numbers directly like this, not equals to 0. You should never do that. I think you guys already know why you should not do that. I won't go over it. If not, you can check out some GFG link. I am not sure. So you should never search like this. You should always use mp.count or mp map dot. There are other things as well. Map dot. I think. Wait. Map count. Let's see. This is built-in mp dot count. What does this do? So mp.count one, cout key one present. So the key one is present. Okay. The function returns the number of times key is present in the map container. It returns one if key is present in the container. As the map only contains a unique, it returns 0. Okay. So it's pretty evident, right? So mp.count will return the key 1 if the key is present, 0 if the key is not present. Okay. So I prefer mp.count. Okay. So mp.count is equals to 1. Then I know I've gotten my pair. So what do? I have a vector of answer. I just do answer push. I need to push I plus 1 since one index and push. I think I should. Okay, fine. So the other index will be the map of target minus numbers of I. I hope that's clear. We'll push the other index first. I want to keep it in ascending order. I'm not sure why, but since I saw most of the answers were in ascending order, I just want to keep it in ascending order. Okay. And this I did, and finally we need to add the value in the map. So before you see the solution, make sure you solve this by your own first. Yeah, I assume you already know that since I'm assuming you all are already done with your JE and JE Advanced, so I think you already know whenever you see a question, you try to solve by yourself, then you see the solution. And better set a time limit. I think 15 minutes to 30 minutes is fine for a medium question. You should not spend more than that, otherwise you'll be wasting time. Okay. Okay, I just returned the answer. One more thing I need to do here. I need to break if I get the answer. What if I don't get the answer? What do I do then? Have they said somewhere the test generates exactly one solution? Okay, there are you may not use the same element twice. Okay, the solution must use constant. Oh, I see. This question has some good amount of logic in it. It says it must have only constant extra space. So I've taken off n space, which is not what they want. I will try to just submit it and then I'll try to optimize. Okay, let's see. Line 16, let's see. Answer dot push back. Push back. Okay. That's a wrong answer. Target 9, output 0. Okay. Just add one. Okay, I think it will pass. Just let's optimize this. So how do we optimize? So just see the numbers. If you take a look, this is still 10 to the power 4, the number of numbers, and the numbers are only up to 1000. This might give us some hint. Okay, 1000 minus 1000 to 2000. Number is sorted in non-descending order. Okay, we have another hint. It's sorted in ascending order. Okay, so we have lots of hint here. So what do you do if, when it's sorted? You can use a two-pointer approach to find the number. So what you can do is I will use OneNote. I'll soon be getting a tablet, and I think there I'll be able to explain much better. Okay. So what I mean is we can use this approach I and J, since it's an ascending increasing array. Since it's an increasing array, I'll start I and J. I'll add these two, array of I, array of J. Is it less? If it's less than the target, I just increase I. If it's again I add, I see is it less? If it's less, yeah, I increase I. Again add, is it more? If it's more, just decrease J. So this way will, it's obviously uh, ensured that we'll reach to the target, because we are increasing and decreasing exactly by the amount that we could increase or decrease, since it's an ascending increasing array. So it's not like I'm here and I suddenly decrease till here, so I might miss something, nothing like that. We are decreasing the amount we can decrease, we are increasing the amount we can increase. So there's only one way to uh, increase some specific amount, and that is to go to I plus 1. There is only one way to increase again with a specific amount, is to go to I plus 1 again, and there's only one way to decrease a specific amount, is to go to j minus 1. So it's nothing like there are different options, different paths, nothing like that. It's array, and we are increasing it by the amount we could increase, or we are decreasing it by the amount we can decrease. Okay, and we are doing it in steps, the minimum step which is possible. So you can assume we are increasing, 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 and then we are decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. It's not like how do I say Like I don't want any misconceptions to be there. So it's not like I increase till here and then decrease, 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 and then increase till here. It's not like we can miss any number in between, okay? Because it's the way we are doing. So even if we put this ladder somewhere here and again increase with this amount, nothing's gonna change, okay? So we can use this approach. I will just quickly comment this out, or better I'll just remove it. I'll take n equals 2. I don't want it to be to call numbers. I'll put is nr and this is t. Okay. N equals to nr dot size. Okay. And I equals to 0, j equals to n minus 1, while I less than j, if nr of I plus nr of j less than t, what do we do? I plus plus. Else, if nr I plus nr j greater than t, what do we do? J minus minus. Else they're equal, and what I do is I just take a answer, or better just make a vector here, and answer equals to, can I do something like that directly over here? Yeah. I plus 1, j plus 1, and return answer. Yes. And here I return, actually nothing to return here, but anyways I return minus 1. Let's see. Okay, it's accepted, and then I submit. Okay, it's done. So I did it in 14 minutes. Let's see, put it in the comment section. How much time did you take to solve this question? And we'll try to challenge each other with more questions, more challenges coming in the next video. Thank you guys. I have